All right, so now let's move on to the fourth 8 count. All right, she's finished 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, you're gonna let's actually go through from here. So 5, let's take it from there. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excuse me, sorry. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so you're gonna go 1. Okay, drop it down this way, face you, around. Okay, up, push. Okay, from here, drop, around, up, push. That goes into one motion. 7, 8. 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. You're kind of going around your head, push. Okay, simultaneously, you're gonna bring this. Okay, you're gonna go 1. Okay, just the feet. 1. That just feels so weird. Oh, because I'm kind of doing a step. Okay, I do like a step. 1, 2. I'm kind of like using that to pivot. Okay, I'm going 1, 2. Kick someone's shin as you're doing that. 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. Bring it around, push. Okay, so you're gonna go 6, 7, 7, 7, 8. 1, 2. Okay, don't do it as whack as that. Don't bring it up here. Try to bring it up to at least, try to 90. Okay, 7, 8. 1, 2. Cool. 1, 2. And that drops. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, you're gonna step out 3. Okay, you're gonna make sure that's sudden. 3. Okay, you're about to oh shit, I'm gonna fall. Okay, 3. You're gonna drop down. 4. Very big drop. 4, 5. Okay, so 3, 4. Nice deep squat. Okay, 4, 5. Now you reach. Notice the huge line as I'm putting all my weight onto my right. 5. Okay, 5. Okay, now I'm putting all the way to my left as I'm slightly bending onto a forced arch. 5, 6, 7. Okay, nice little kiss on the cheek. 8. Okay, you're gonna go from here slowly because I feel like I just went through that fast. Okay, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Dip. 4. Reach. 5. Lean back. 6, 7, 8. Okay, so try not to go so far back that it's uncomfortable, just enough to feel the weight. Okay, so it kind of feels even and evenly placed. It should not be uncomfortable. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so let's take it back. Let's go from 5, 6. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You try it from here. I don't know if I explain it. Bring it around. 5, 7, 8. Now you bring it around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. So let's go through that nice and slow, medium, fast, then everything. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pretty easy, right? Let's go medium. 5. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So to go to that over that detail real quick, from here 3, I swing my arm. I just realized that I swing my arm, reach. Okay, swing, reach. Okay, and this is kind of strong, slowing it down. Okay, that's one of the things that I said, like I was just doing without consciously knowing it. Okay, swing, reach, kiss. Okay, one more time like that. Hold 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's take it from the top. Medium and then tempo. Okay, 5. Okay, we're almost done. And I think the next one I'm just gonna wrap it up. Hold 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Notice, see me blank out there for a second? It happens. Okay, let's go a little faster, okay? I think that was slow medium. Okay, a little faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool? Start a little fast. A little fast. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.